Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys are having a fabulous week and ready for an amazing crafting week too. Guys, today I'm going to share how I made these little card slash pockets. I think it was a couple of weeks ago. We made together this printed vellum, actually stamped vellum. We use some map. This is like a proper vintage street map. This one was a music sheet notes, and then this one was a postcards. And then I'll show you how you actually stamp on vellum and create some layers. I will put the video at the end of this one in case you guys missed it. And then today I just show you, because you asked me to showcase what to do with them when I've asked on the last video. So here I am, just make a couple of options. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so these were the bases that we done together. I only got 3. And then I've got here, I can't really remember where these stamps come from. If you Google stitching stamps, I got this from Amazon, I want to say, or eBay, either or. And then on here I've got literally the last 3 of my 4 ephemeras that we made together. So I will put this video, hopefully if I remember, at the end of this one. And when we made this, we started from a greyish background, and then I'll show you how to create this 4 vintage effect. So what I want to do, first of all, I want to use this stitching around the card bases. This needs cleaning a little bit. So I'm just gonna, I won't use black, but I want to see if this is dark enough, because I have a feeling if not, I think I might use this one actually. So this is the vintage photo. This is the mini, it's a stack of 4 that I've tried, and then once I was really happy I bought the large one. And this is the walnut stain. I think I'm gonna use this as well. So let me get, have I got a piece of paper? Yeah. Okay, so let's have a look. So I'll just do one with you, and then I'll do one off and do the rest off camera. In fact, let's put them there. Yeah, you can't shoot them. Right, it's got to be black. Never mind. Let's try black. Sorry about the shake. Right, let's try again. I'm just going to do it on this side now. Yeah, that's better. Now, when you stamp on vellum, because remember these are made with vellum, the vellum takes forever to dry, and it also, because of the plasticky sort of surface, you won't get an amazing cover like you do if you stamp on cardstock. Or so I think I'm gonna stick with this one. Or should we change a little bit? Let's change it up a little bit. I think I'm gonna use this stitching here. You might think, why don't you get your sewing machine instead of doing this? Well, I'm not good at it. Simple as. And also I haven't got a proper sewing machine. I got it in Italy, but not here. So, oh yeah, that's perfect. That's quite cute actually. Do another one. I think I need to stay on the border, like on the edge, rather than come in too close to. Yeah, I think that's better. What do you guys think? Just give it that 4 stamps. Right, gonna do the other 2, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so let me show you one by one. So this one is what we made together. Okay, this one I just popped the yellow, kind of yellow and burgundy label. So I think this is going to be like pages, or might be pocket if I glue on my page. And then this one here, which is my favorite, is I was gluing them, I was like, why don't we create a little pocket? So this here, I don't know if you can see, but it's actually a pocket. So I just put double side tape there and there, and I create this little pocket. So these are a larger stamps that we made together. So yeah, so just a little little idea. So from one technique to get 3 different looks and 3 different usages. Okay, which one is your favorite? Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, which one is your favorite, guys? Let me know in the comment. I think mine is this one. So we got little pockets there, guys. I'm going to go. Everything that I have used will be listed in the info box. If you like this video, please consider giving a big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey on YouTube, because every time you guys interact with me, YouTube get a little notification say how wonderful I am. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.